Quality has been something that we've worked on continuously improving since I've been around. It's been almost 10 years. In February it'll be 10 years. So along the way we've seen a lot of progress as we continue to strive to improve our quality processes. And of course, one of the big things that we have that's an advantage of ours is having quality people on the ground in the different countries that we're working in, because overseas sourcing can be kind of a daunting task sometimes, and it's a long boat ride from over there. So if you get parts that come over and discover at that point that there's an issue, it's too late. So it's a big problem. So the fact that we have those processes in place over there where we're checking it at the supplier before it ever ships, we've got a whole system through our website where we're reviewing the quality reports, and we have to sign off on it for each of our territories before anything ever ships. So we really try to be proactive about handling issues before they can ever make it over here.
Most of the reps are engineers, so we're very technical in our approach to the customers that we deal with. A lot of companies deal with offshore factories like we do, but very, very few have staffing in their source countries like we do. So the biggest concern that a lot of times that OEMs have in going offshore is quality. Once it ships and it's here, they own it. We take that concern away because we have the boots on the ground over there. We have our employees who have their interest is in what's best for Michigan manufacturing. Keeping an eye on the manufacturers over there, inspecting parts before they ship. But then we bring the stuff here, we warehouse it, we support all stocking programs. So it allows our customers to go offshore and get the pricing advantage, but without all the worry that's involved. And there are very few companies that do that.
We are a quality supervisor, so first of all, we will hire very experienced engineers to study drawings with the technicians from the factories. So they have the skill to know what the customer expect at the beginning, and then after the order is issued, we will restart the drawing again and make a quality control plan ahead of time. And during manufacturing, we go to visit our suppliers weekly, so check them up to make sure they follow the plan. And after the goods are finished, we do final inspection again. We load all quality files for the salesperson.
We manage the project from the beginning to the end until it ships. Actually, even when it ships, we meet a lot of times the product at the customers and open the boxes and look at it with the customers then. We store it here in our warehouse, and then whenever they're ready for it, we ship it. That's one of the advantages, of course, and then us managing the whole project, like I said.
I think one of the biggest things that you get from us is just the level of service. We're very responsive. If there's ever an issue, we jump right on it. My customers know from dealing with me that I'm going to go to bat for them if there is an issue. If they have a question, I'm going to work to get the question answered as quickly as possible, get them the information that they need. And one of the things that I've actually been told by customers, one of the reasons that they continue to look for us for new projects is just because of that high level of service. They know that they can depend on us. They know that they can count on us. They know that even when we've had problems, we've resolved them quickly and kept them moving on so we don't disrupt their production or their bottom line, because we go ahead and deal with those issues and get them handled in an effective manner and implement things to prevent them from happening again.
A lot of OEMs want to go offshore, smaller, mid-size OEMs, but have never done it or have tried it and it hasn't worked because they've tried to go direct or they've just dealt with maybe a broker or an agent who has contacts overseas and works with these factories, but they've never been there and they don't have any people over there. We've got employees of our company in China, in India that work for us. And we're over there a lot. We travel over there 2, 3, 4 times a year ourselves to visit our supply managers, to go and check out and audit our supply factories. So we have a handle on it. We know what we're doing. We've been doing it a long time and we're good at it.